to start like 2025 this way is the best way. Honestly, I love it.
So much to the poltergeist. Trying to hold on to love, but it's frosting nice time. Much but a light from a falling sky. Apply to the forces above us like keep holding on to this present time. Inspired by the ones that were left behind us. We fell for the light of a foreign sky. Applying to the forces above this life.
Love it. I love San Fran's beaches. So pretty.
Crying so much to the poltergeist. Trying to hold on to love, but it's frosting nice time. Much but a light from a falling sky. Apply to the forces above us like on to this present time. Inspired by the ones that were left behind us. We fell for the light.
We're trying some little things that I've never done before, and my sister had a good idea, so it's gonna be scenic, a little cinematic, let's say. Yeah, so pretty, oh my god.
From a falling sky. Apply to the forces above us. On to this present time, inspired by the ones that were left behind us. We fell for the light of a foreign sky, applying to the forces above this light.
So beautiful. There's nothing that compares to San Fran's beaches. So as you saw in the title of this video, I am going to show you my 2025 vision board, and here it is. It's a pretty colorful one compared to last year's vision board that was pretty pink. So I'm really happy with the results, and each year I decided that I would have a word to describe my year, and this year is discovery. So I have set not too many goals this year because each year I set too many goals and I reach a lot of them, but some of them I can't reach them because it's too much in a year. and I always feel a little bit frustrated at the end of the year. So I decided to not set too many expectations for this year. So here is my essential list. So this year I want to go for walks and run every week. I am someone who loves staying inside, and as much as I take care of myself because, I try to do Pilates, I don't do sports enough. I don't work out enough. And so I would love to just walk and also run. I would love to be someone who loves running. I have been into running for like some summers in my life, and it feels so good. So I want to take a breather each time I need to, and yeah, I just need to go out more. Next is do Pilates exercises every evening. So I do Pilates once a week already, but I really want to take back this habit that I had where I would just do Pilates exercises each evening. So this year I'm doing this again. I also want to develop healthy eating habits because I only drink water. I don't eat too much sugary things, but I really want to, eat healthier. So eat more vegetables, more fruits, more living things basically. And so as a wider goal, I just want to take care of my physical and mental health all year long. Next, I want to read all the books that I have in my library that have been sitting there for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years. I don't know, but they have been prisoners in my library for a long time, and it's time to release them. So I will read them before traveling, before leaving friends, and yeah. Another important things that is going to happen is that I will graduate. So I want to earn my associate's degree. There's not really an equivalent to the degree that I'm doing in France for American people. So yeah, I study communications currently, and as much as I love this topic or this field, I am really looking forward to be done and graduated. I also want to post one YouTube video per week. Right now I'm doing so because I post one short per week, but I really want to post one long form video per week as soon as I'm graduated. And the same goes for Instagram. I would love to post one reel per week, and I'll try to do it as much as I can for Instagram. But if I can't, however, it's going to be okay for me. I mean, Instagram is not going to be my focus, my main focus, because my YouTube channel is my main focus. And so once I'm done studying, I focus all my energy on my YouTube channel. So obviously, I would love to reach 5,000 subscribers on YouTube. It would mean a lot to me. And also, if I can reach 5,000 followers on Instagram, it's so cool. So, yep. As far as YouTube is concerned, I would also love to join the YouTube Partner Program to monetize my videos. If it doesn't happen, it's okay too. YouTube is a passion for me, so I do it for the pleasure of creating. But if I can reach this program, it's amazing. Okay, so my next goal is I want to travel to the United States this year. And I want to visit New York City, Philadelphia, and Chicago. Not gonna say more. You will have videos all about the United States, and I think you're gonna have a lot of videos about the US, so stay tuned. Also this year, I want to save money. So I am a French girl, so that's why I put an image of euros and not dollars or whatever. So yeah, I want to save money before traveling. And next, I want to build new friendships because I just love connecting with people. It's really important for me. It's something that is really fulfilling for me. So yeah. I also would love to connect with music and film industry professionals. So I'd love to talk with more professionals in those industries, and yeah, just to have discussions about art. And another goal is to collaborate with singers and musicians, so to make covers or create songs maybe. I just love to collaborate with more artists in the music industry, maybe even dancers, who knows. I would also love to perform in front of the public again this year, because I had the opportunity to do it a lot in 2024, and so I would love to just sing in the streets, whatever, and bars, restaurants, I don't know. I just want to perform, like sing in front of people. Another goal of mine is to complete the composition and writing of all the songs for my album. If I can't manage to do this, it's okay, but I would really love to finish at least a few songs from my album because, yeah, one day your girl wants to release an album. Next is about fluency. I would love to reach level B2 in Portuguese, which is the equivalent for the conversational fluency level. So I would love to reach this, and I'm gonna reach this. I'm already fluent in Spanish, English, and French at different levels, especially for Spanish, but I would love to reach, level B2 in Portuguese, and the same goes for Indonesian. I would love to be fluent in Indonesian, and it's not that hard. It just takes time, and I don't have currently the time to learn. So yeah, the first 4 months or even 5 months of my 2025 year are going to be really busy with school, but then I will be free and I will be able to reach a lot of goals, I think, for this year. So I actually didn't set incredible goals for 2025 because it's going to be a year that is preparing for something bigger. So yeah, stay tuned for my projects. And also, I'm gonna do more vlog style videos in the future because I really enjoy this style videos. And also, I will talk more in my future vlogs. This was my first vlog ever, so be indulgent with me. But yeah, I'm so excited about 2025 because it's gonna be, in fact, a year full of discovery, I think. And it's more about exploration of myself, of new projects, and the world too. I'm gonna be gentle with myself if I don't reach all the goals that I set. It's okay. It's just gonna be a year of preparation, exploration, discovery. I will now let you at the end of the vlog to observe this amazing sunset that we have in front of us. And yeah. We're leaving, so letting you with the last view. Oh, so beautiful. Love it. 2025 is going to be the best year, I hope. And I will see you in 4 months, I think. Bye!
Crying so much to the poltergeist. Trying to hold on to love, but it's frosting nice time. Much but a light from a falling sky. Apply to the forces above us like keep holding on to this present time. Inspired by the ones that were left behind us. the light of a foreign sky, blind to the forces above this life.